Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. So just as I promised, I was going to do a review on the trade I took on Tuesday. Alright, so this is it here. So I already have my chart annotated, but then I will take a little bit of some parts off so that you can see clearly of what we have here. So let me take this off for a while, and let's change this color to red. That's a bearish fair value gap there. So right, this is just the model I trade right here. So we had price, took out the sell side liquidity, trade to this buy side liquidity here. After taking out this sell side liquidity, trade to this buy side liquidity here. Immediately after that, we had a serious drop to the downside, retracement back to a bearish fair value gap. The opening range was good. We had a wide opening range gap. So I'll talk a little bit more about this, but once you have a wide opening range gap, there's a high probability on Nasdaq to move really expansively one directionally to a buy side liquidity or sell side liquidity. So once we had this breakdown here, creating this bearish fair value gap just after 9:30 opening bell. So this is the 9:30 opening bell candlestick here. That's when they pump in liquidity and a lot of volatility into this market, right? We have it that this is the 30-minute the first fair value gap in the 30-minute 9:30 opening bell, that 30-minute window. So once it retraces to that, we saw it drop seriously. First, I took some profit first at the sell side liquidity right here. Took some profit there first at the sell side liquidity. Then secondly, lastly, I took it up to this point here, as you would see in the execution video, right? So this is just the model. So we just wait for it to offset the buy side liquidity. You see how it's this high here looks like it's a very strong breakout. This will really be stronger if it has a higher time frame PDRA, like a higher time frame bearish fair value gap backing it up, right? In this case, you had a 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I cannot go to that at the moment, but you can go to your chart and study that. You had a bearish fair value gap at this point here, so that is even making the setup even more stronger. And then we had all this here traded to the downside, and this was one of my biggest trade for the month. So this is just a review that I should share with everyone as promised. So this is it here. So my entry would just be at this bearish fair value gap here. So I'll be entering while the candlestick is going up to the bearish fair value gap. Then my stop loss was just above that bearish fair value gap. Then first take profit was around here at the sell side liquidity. Then I still held to here, somewhere here, I think. So that was literally a 1:6 for me. Let's see. Well, it's even more than a 1:6. So this was just the trade for me here on Tuesday. So that's it. I trust you enjoy, and this was quite insightful too.